Hi guys, today we are here in IKEA Marsden Park. There's nothing better than shopping without paying. So we are here in IKEA today because we were accompanying a friend. He's moving to his new house and we were buying a lot of stuff. So after all that shopping, we have to eat. One of the best thing about IKEA is their food is really cheap and tastes really good. We ordered a Swedish meatball and a chicken schnitzel. Of course, we can't have a meal if I'm not stealing from Eileen's food. Haha, don't worry, she's used to it. Anyway, I love all their gravies. But for their food, I would rate it around 3 to 3 over 5, I guess. Like, it's not amazing, but it's good. After eating, we have to put all our plates over here and it will automatically be sent to their dishwashing team, I guess. And that's it for today, guys. See you in our next vlog. Bye.